Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As I told, before going to start the first syntax, for loop syntax, just I want to introduce with you one function that is known as a range function. Okay, range. Okay, just simply I will complete within less than very less time. Okay, range. Okay, range. What it does means basically, range is a function. Just listen, guys. Very simple. Okay, just range will take three terms: start, stop, step. Start, stop, step. If you don't give any value for this start, it will take 0. If you don't give any value to step, it will take 1. These also you forgot. Okay, don't need to remember. You will easily know. First leave that. Range has three values: start, stop, step. Three values only. Okay, now what is the thing means? For example, it will from start, it's like a triple or Rajamouli film is there, like that. It's tribulus. Start, stop, step. We need to go from start to stop. Okay, start से stop तक जाना है. We need to go from start to stop. And how we need to go? Speed. How we need to go? With this step. Okay, how to do? Let's see. Okay, for example, if my start is 0 and my stop is 10 and my step is 1, so every time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is 10. Don't touch 10. Before only you stop. Just before 10. Don't touch 10. Okay. Now, if step size is 2. 2. Okay. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Next jump 10. Don't reach 10. Stop before 10 only. Okay. Now in case of 3, 3. In case of 3, 0, 3, 6, 9. Next, we cannot cross that. Start to stop only. This is the starting point of our journey. This is ending point of our journey. Okay, this is ending point only. We need to play like this game. Okay, this is a game. Just like a game. Think this is a number line. This is a 0. This is minus 10. This is plus 10. Okay, now if my start start is minus 10, stop is 0, step is what could be the step b? Plus 1. Now minus 10 plus 1, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 plus 1, 0. No, don't touch it. Stop there only. Now what is the value? Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, till minus 1. Now if in case minus 10 to plus 10, step is plus 1. Now it will go like minus 10, my 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It cannot go to 10. Why? Because the 10 is ending point. I should stop before only. So 9 is the last value. Next. 10 to 10 to minus 10 with step minus 1. Okay. 10 to minus 10 with step minus 1. How it will go? 10 to minus 10. Here the starting point. What is the step? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Sorry. 10 minus step 1. Minus 1, 9. Minus 1, 8. Minus 1, 7. Minus 1, 6. Minus 1, 5. Minus 1, 4. Minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. But don't touch 10. Don't touch the ending point. This is how we will write the loops. This is how range function helps. If I want to loop for 5 times means 0 to 5 with the step 1. How it will be? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth time it will not work. So 5 times. 5 times. You got it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times. 5 times. If I want to write in the before example, if I want to write 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 to 10 I should write. How I can write? Starting point is 1 till 10 with the gap step 1. So it will print 1 step 1, 2 it will become step 1, 3 it will become step 1, 4 it will become step 1, 5 it will become step 1, 6 will become 7, 8, 9, 10 cannot come. So here what I should put? Here I need to put 11 so that my output will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till 10 it will come. So now I have different examples. Please understand this. If you can understand this only, for loops will become dead easy. That much easy it will become if you can understand this very neatly. Okay. Now from three, I want 3, 3 plus 7, 11, 15 plus 4, 19 plus 4, 23 plus 4, 27. How can I write this? Okay. How can I write this? Okay. Now, what is the starting point? 3. So, range is the function. What is the starting point? 3. Next, what is the ending point? What is the ending point? 27. But I told if you write 27, you will not get 27. You will stop before only. So that I am writing one number extra. So, till 28, if I do, I will get 27 also. 27 also, correct. Next, what is the step size? Step size 3 to 7. How can I reach? 4. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. So that step size is 4. So this is the correct function to get the output. Similarly, if I want to get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, how to write this? How to write this? Observe. Starting point is 5, so that simply range is the function. 5 is the starting point. Stop I don't know. Step what is the difference? 1, sorry, minus 1 na. How to reach 4 from 5? Minus 1. Here 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7, so that step is plus 4. Now 5 minus 1 is 4, so that the step is minus 1. So now what I will get? 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. But I want 0 also. What is the next number to 0? 0 minus 1, minus 1. So if I write minus 1, so 0 also I will get. This is the correct thing. Next. Range of, I want these even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 20. Now how to do this? First range I will write what is the starting point, blindly first number. So 2. Stop I don't know. Step see the difference between 2 and 4. What is that? Is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So that step is 2. Step is 2. What is the last number? 20. So I want 20 also, so that I need to put limit here na. If I want these, I need to put one number extra, so that 21. Am I right? Like this we need to do. If I want 5 table. How to do 5 table? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50, am I right? This is 5 table. Now, how to write this? Range. What is the starting number? 5. What is the step? Step means 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So step is 5. What is the ending number? 50. So you want 50 or not? I want 50. So that I am adding one extra. So 51. 51. Why I am adding one extra means they will keep this condition, this number. For example, if they are starting from 5, if it is, how it will execute, I am explaining you. Okay, how it is happening inside, I am explaining you. They will write like this: some I value is equals to starting, okay. If I less than 51, then what I should do means I is equals to I plus 5. So see, first 5, starting 5, 5 less than 51, 5 less than 51, true. Then what I should do? Take I value, out. What is the I value? 5. Next, I is equals to I plus 5. What is I value? 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Now I value initially 5, it became 10. Next, Next, I value 10 less than 51. So that what I should do? I should take the I value. 10 less than 51, true. Next, I plus 5. 15. 15 less than 51. Take. Again add 5. 20. 20 less than 51. Take 20. Again add 5. Next, 25 less than 51. Take this. Again add 5. 30. 30 less than 51. Take 8. 35. Next, 40. Next, 45. Next, 50. Next, 50 plus 5. 55. 55. 55 less than 51 false. Stop the process. Like this they will do. Range function, how it happens internally, just for your understanding purpose I told. It is not required. Just you understand how to write range function. If I give some value, or if you want to some do, remember this very carefully. Start, stop, step. Start, stop, step. These three things you remember very carefully. If you can understand this, you are done with the for loops. I am telling you, just you will complete the for loop very easily. Can you please put the comment? Can you please put in the comments how to write the range function for minus 10 to 1? Minus 10 to 1 means minus 10, minus 7, minus 4, minus 1, 2, 5. How to write the range function for this? Can you please put in the comments? We'll meet in the next video. Okay, bye guys.